Canadian Forces Snowbirds. Now let's listen live to the cockpit of Snowbird 8 as he takes the line. Next up from the right. On the right, followed by a loop in the big diamond formation. Don't get figured out. Oh, deep conversation that no one loves. Head a strong father and the son of mother. Oh, there's not some nights we try to keep each other, but you know it's mama. Now.
Now wrong with it. I'm an old school vibe with an oh so great. Stay paid by the boy. We just double it. I'm about to pop the pop again. And they want the spot, but I do not love the band. They trying to block my drop. They been huddling. Feeling so.
I don't think you realize what a little love could mean.
The Snowbirds would like to dedicate today.
A piece, working, we serving the streets. About to go and go beast. Bang, bang, when you sleep. Tick, tick, the power when you try this, so it's no way around it. You the loudest one, it's we be just serving a piece, working, we serving the streets.
Into the outer left. Canadian Forces Snowbirds. Our dedicated technicians ensure that we have safe and operational jets day in and day out.